Welcome to our channel everyone. Today we're bringing you a full and exciting look at the new 2026 Mahindra 3-seater auto rickshaw, and the latest innovation from Mahindra in the world of compact transport vehicles. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive straight into the details of this impressive three-wheeled vehicle. The 2026 Mahindra Auto Rickshaw comes with a fresh modern look while retaining the classic auto rickshaw shape that's iconic on the streets of India and beyond. This new model is specifically designed for urban mobility and last-mile connectivity with an upgraded structure that ensures more durability and safety. Under the hood, it features a fuel-efficient 4-stroke engine which provides excellent mileage while keeping emissions in check. It's available in both petrol and CNG variants, depending on your region, and the engine is BS6 compliant, making it suitable for future environmental standards. With a smooth electric start system and improved clutch mechanism, this rickshaw delivers a better ride experience even in crowded city traffic. Now talking about performance. This Mahindra Auto Rickshaw is designed to carry up to 3 adult passengers comfortably while maintaining a stable and controlled ride. Its top speed is approximately 55 to 60 km per hour, and the mileage varies between 30 to 35 km per litre, depending on usage conditions and fuel type. In terms of design, the body features a rugged metal frame, stylish front grille, and headlamp unit that adds a modern flair. It's available in multiple color options and has a weather-resistant roof and side covers to keep passengers protected from the elements. What makes this 2026 model special is its combination of reliability, affordability, and new-age design. Mahindra has put a strong focus on comfort and practicality without compromising on performance and low maintenance costs. It's ideal for city commuting, short-distance commercial transport, and ride-share drivers who need a dependable partner on the road. If you're looking for a new auto rickshaw that brings value, economy, and updated features, then the 2026 Mahindra 3-seater is a solid contender in the segment. Thanks for watching this full review of the 2026 Mahindra 3-seater auto rickshaw. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated with the latest vehicle reviews, and share your views or questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.